Hey, welcome back to our Monday Live. It's Monday Live with MJ, an attorney or mess, where we kick up the week on by ourselves. Be just before judging.
Have you heard about the controversy at the Olympic opening ceremonies? Thomas Joly, the director of the Paris Olympic opening ceremony, cleared the controversial tableau as a depiction of a pagan festival and not Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. It was inspired by Dionysus, the Greek god of wine, not Jesus. Which group were you in for this issue?
If we gave other people a chance to explain their perspective or point of view before we react, then we are part of the crowd who are just. And if we did, we are part of the crowd who are judging. Don't we all love to judge before even clearing or considering assumptions?
Being just demands that we pause, we seek, and we listen to the intentions behind the act. Why were they doing this imagery? What message were they even trying to convey?
Only by understanding the perspective of others can we arrive into an informed and fair judgment. This approach honors our spiritual virtue of compassion and empathy. It helps us develop a deeper connection, more connection with others' intentions and expressions.
Emotionally, empathy means we need to put ourselves in the other person's shoes. This fosters emotional intelligence, which helps us respond with kindness and understanding, not anger or resentment.
Physically, instead of jumping into conclusions impulsively, we should first seek more information. Who are the performers? What cultural and artistic significance in that specific segment that they hold into? If we are being thorough and patient, we are able to ensure that we are more harmonious and respectful with our environment. The physical impact, it ensures us that we are able to be more harmonious and truthful in our actions.
Socially, instead of jumping to conclusions, we need to actively engage in dialogue. Actively listening, asking questions, understanding the diverse perspectives of others actually enriches our social interactions. We need to make sure that we are going to use truth and mutual respect so that we can actually understand others. And we're going to engage with them in a fair and graceful manner.
There you go. Be just before we judge. Let us continue to uphold our integrity, virtue, and beliefs. And before we end, we know we have 8,000 before 8 a.m., but we are in the airport. We want to welcome our special guest, someone so dear and near in our hearts. Yay!
Hello! Yes, I'm already here in Los Angeles. Another dream come true. Visiting my sister here, came from the Netherlands also. Will enjoy my time here with my sister and my brother-in-law, Sean. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
We'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.